Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to Banner Online Classes. Today, we will discuss how can we add image in our Tkinter window and how can we use tree view in our Tkinter. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So this is my Tkinter window and I have created the window. This is my title, this is my geometry, and I have created the button. Okay, so the text is next page. This is my font and this is the width of my text box, and this is the border, and this is the background. Active background gold 2 means when I click what will happen, and active foreground the color of the text that will be changed when I click on that, and I have placed that button. Now when I run that code, it will look like that. Initially my text is black and the color of my button is blue. Now when I click on that button, here you can see that the background is getting changed and the color of text is also white. Okay, so this is how you can set your text box. Now we will see how can we insert image in our Tkinter window, and the code of that is, here we will use the property photo image. But remember, when you use photo image, then your image will be only in PNG format. Okay, you cannot use JPEG or any other format by using photo image. If you want to insert any JPEG image, then you have to use the pillow module. Okay, so for using pillow module, you have to install it, and the command is pip install pillow. Okay, but so here you will simply write pip install pillow. If you write that command in your command prompt, then the pillow module will be installed. Then you will write that code, and this will be the code, and you will import the library from pil import image, and then you will write image.open. Your image will be open, and if you want to show it, then you will write im.show. Okay, but we will not use pillow module here. And if your image is on JPEG format, then what you can do, you can open your image. Let us suppose if I open any image which is in JPEG format, and here let us suppose I am opening that image. This is the JPEG image, and I will do right click, I will do open with, and I will open it in Paint. Then I will do nothing, I will go on file, save as, and then I will save that image as PNG. Okay, so you can convert your JPEG image into PNG very easily. So we don't need the pillow module. What we will simply do, we will use the photo image. For that we don't need to install any pillow module, no additional library is required. So the syntax will be, this is the variable name photo, you can write any name here, then photo image, then file, and here you will write std1.png. This is the name of my file, but remember that file must store in your Python local directory. If your file is stored anywhere else, then you will give the complete path of that file. But try to store that image in your Python local directory so that you don't need to uh, add additional code for that. Like if I run, and this is my Python local directory, and here you can see that I have that std1.png image. Okay, so the code is very simple. Here you will simply write photo equals to photo image. Here p and I should be capital, and then you will write file and you will give your file name. Then you will pack that image into one label. Then you will write label, and this label will be stored on page 1, and here you will write image equals to photo, and you will pack that. Okay, now when I run that code, here you can see that my image is inserted, and this image is on background, and here my button is in the front and image is at the back. So if you want to background any of your image, then you can use that method. And if your work is not completed with photo image, then you can use the pillow module as well as per your requirement, but I will not advise to use pillow module. Now coming to the main topic of today's class is creating tree view. Okay, to create tree view, like if you want to create a tree view, then what I will do, like when I click on my button, I want one command, and here my command will be tree. Okay, I will write only that, and here I will create one function. The name for function will be tree, and here that. Now in that I will create one more page, and I will name that page as page 2, page 2 and page 2, and here I will change the title tree view window. Okay, now what next I will do, I will create the tree view here. So how can I create a tree view? I will write the comment creating tree view, creating tree view. Okay, one thing I have missed कि मैंने अपनी page 2 को अभी main loop के थ्रू नहीं close किया, तो I will copy that command also, and I will paste it here, and here I will write page 2 dot main loop. Okay, now how can we create tree view? You can write any variable here. I will write tv, and here I will write ttk. Okay, so here I will need one more additional library, and the name of the library is ttk. So what I will do, I will copy here and I will paste, and I will import ttk. Okay, so this additional library we need for tree view. So I will write ttk, and here I will write tree and view. Okay, be very careful while using the upper and lower case. Here t is capital, so you need to do accordingly. And here name of my window is page 2, and next what I will do, I will create one column here also. Call I will write, and here I will create one tuple, and my column name will be roll number, name, and age. Okay, so this tree view is placed on page 2, and here my column name will be columns will be I can simply pass call variable here, and then what I will do, I will pack it. So I will write tv dot pack, and now let's run the code. Let's see what happened when I click here, and here you can see that one preview is created. Here you can see that this is my first column, this is my second column, and this is my, there are 4 columns. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. When you create 3 column, then one additional column will be created in the tree view, and then you don't need to take care much about that. Okay, but you, आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पर ट्री व्यू क्रिएट हमारा हो गया. Now अब next what I will do, I will format these columns. Okay, so here I will write format columns. How can you format? Then you will simply write tv dot column. Column, and here your column will be I will copy that first because I need it multiple times. So I will copy that, and here I will write my column name. My first column name is roll number. You will use the same name here, and here you will write name, and then you will write age. Okay, now after that, next what you will do, you will insert some heading. So here you will write creating headings, and now you will write tv dot heading, and here this is your column name, and here you can write any 1 2 3 also, but I am using the name that because इससे आप easily identify कर सकते हो. Now उसमें जो टेस्ट होगा इस कॉलम में, टेस्ट you can write anything जो आपको टेस्ट रिप्रेजेंट होगा. लेट अस सपोज हियर रोल, मैं कैपिटल यूज कर लेता हूँ, रोल नंबर, and now I will copy it because I need 3 headings, control plus V, control plus V, and here I will write name, student name, I will write student name, and here I will write age. Okay, now here I will change it. My column name is name, so I will use name, and here I will use age. Okay, now let's run it and see what will happen. Now when I am running it, here you are seeing that one additional column is coming, roll number, name and age. Okay, so now your tree view is completely created. Now you want data on that, and the data we are inserting with the help of database. We need to use database here. So for database, what I will do, yes, I want to copy that command, okay, only. Next I will do, I will paste that command here. Okay, this will establish the connection, and let's see when run कि कोई error तो नहीं आ रहा. And here you can see that it is showing me error, and error is quite obvious because मैंने यहाँ पर import नहीं किया है MySQL connector को. तो here I will write import MySQL dot connector. Now I will run it and let's see कि कोई error तो नहीं आ रहा. Now no error is coming, it is working. Alright. Now next what you will do here, you will create my cursor, and you will write my cursor equals to db dot my cursor. Okay, your cursor will be created. Now Next, you will write the query. Query will be simply I am writing the query, select star from student. Okay, and then what I will do, I will execute that query. Here I will write my cursor dot execute, and here I will write the query. Okay, now next what I will do, my RC, and here I will write my cursor dot fetch all. Okay, so ये सारी कमांड अगेन एंड अगेन वी आर यूजिंग. ठीक है, सो आई होप ये आप सभी को लर्न हो गई होगी. ये तो सिंपल डेटाबेस की कमांड है. नाउ आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले all these record. So here I will write for I in my REC. Okay, so here I will correct my variable. My variable name is REC. Okay, now यहाँ पर अब काम किसका आता है, ट्री व्यू का, कि ये डेटा मुझे किसमें जाके प्लेस करना है, अपने ट्री व्यू में इंसर्ट करना है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर मुझे सिंपली अगर डिस्प्ले करना होता तो आई विल राइट प्रिंट आई. अगर मैं सिंपली लिख दूँ यहाँ पर प्रिंट आई, तो ये जो डेटा है आपको डिस्प्ले होगा आपकी. लेट्स सी कि पहले देख लेते हैं कि कोई एरर तो नहीं आ रहा पहले, फिर हम आगे बात करते हैं. सो वन एरर इज कमिंग हियर एंड लेट्स सी कि वो एरर क्या है. SQL connection and no object to my cursor. Here I need to write cursor. Okay, so this is the error and I have resolved it. Now next, and here no error is coming and let's see कि वो डेटा है डिस्प्ले हुआ है. हाँ, ये डेटा डिस्प्ले हुआ है, बट ये डेटा मुझे किस में चाहिए, विंडो में चाहिए. ओके, सो इसीलिए हम ट्री व्यू का यूज कर रहे हैं. टीवी मेरे ट्री व्यू का नाम क्या है, tv dot insert. That particular command will insert the data which is coming from the database into your tree view. Okay, now you will write first, यहाँ पर आप सिंपली parent लिख दोगे, parent equals to blank. आप सिर्फ blank भी लिखोगे तो भी चल जाएगा काम, तो बट यहाँ पर मैंने इसको ऐसा छोड़ दिया है. ये आपका सेम ही रहेगा, इंडेक्स सेकंड पैरामीटर, और आप यहाँ पर इसको एंड ही लिखना. ठीक है, आप कुछ और भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट फिलहाल आप सेम सिंटेक्स फॉलो करेंगे. और यहाँ पर वैल्यूज, थर्ड पैरामीटर क्या होगा, वैल्यूज. एंड वैल्यूज क्या होंगे यहाँ पर, वैल्यूज विल बी ये जो यहाँ पर डेटा आ रहा है आई. तो ये जो आई जो आ रहा है, जो एक्चुअल में आपका डिस्प्ले तो आई कर रहे थे, तो ये जो आई आ रहा है, अब इस आई को आपको क्या करना है, प्रिंट करना है अपने ट्री व्यू पे. ओके, सो नाउ दिस कमांड इज कंप्लीटेड एंड लेट्स सी कि क्या डेटा डिस्प्ले हो रहा है आपके ट्री व्यू पे. यस, now your data is displaying on your tree. So this is the use of tree view. ठीक है, ये बहुत बेसिक मैंने ट्री व्यू का प्रोग्राम आपको बताया हुआ है. एक बार और रन करके मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ कि हाउ दिस इज वर्किंग. एंड नाउ तो योर डेटा इज डिस्प्लेइंग. और मैं कुछ और कोड आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि देखो आपका जो टास्क है वो यहीं तक है, बट देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपकी कुछ और भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो. या अगर मैं इस कोड को रन कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, नाउ दिस विंडो इज कमिंग एंड यहाँ पर आप देखो, अगर आप यहाँ पर क्लिक कर रहे हो और मैं गेट पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ, तो ये वैल्यू आपकी यहाँ पर आ जा रही है, सिलेक्टेड आइटम 6. यहाँ पर क्लिक कर रहे हो तो यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू सिलेक्ट आइटम 6. यहाँ पर क्लिक करोगे तो ये वाली वैल्यू आपको यहाँ पर देखने को मिल रही है. आप चाहो तो वैल्यू को डिलीट भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पर डिलीट मैंने बटन बना दिया है, तो आप चाहो तो ये 55 को डिलीट करना है तो आप डायरेक्टली ट्री व्यू से वैल्यू को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, डिलीट कर सकते हो, और एनी काइंड ऑफ मॉडिफिकेशन यू कैन डन. ठीक है, तो ये टास्क अगर आपको करना है तो आप ट्री व्यू से डायरेक्टली ये टास्क भी कर सकते हो. एंड एट द एंड आई विल शो यू सम फाइनल कोड एंड हियर आई विल रन दैट कोड F5. So here one more point I want to tell you that कि एक्चुअल में आपका जो प्रोजेक्ट होगा वो किस तरह से होगा. ठीक, तो जो फर्स्ट पेज व्हेन यू रन, देन ऑन दैट पेज आपका कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ आपका प्रोजेक्ट का नेम आना चाहिए. ठीक है, बिल्कुल अच्छे से प्रॉपरली डिजाइंड आप का क्या होना चाहिए, यहाँ पर आपके प्रोजेक्ट का नेम आना चाहिए ओनली और कुछ भी नहीं आना चाहिए। देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट, यू कैन आइदर क्रिएट बाय योर ओन और यू कैन क्रिएट वन इमेज एंड आप इमेज को प्लेस करके कर सकते हैं। देन व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट, देन this kind of page will come presented by, and in presented by you will write your group name, and here you will write the group leader first, then the members, and then at the end you will write under the guidance of Ramesh Bhatt, and here you will write in the bracket PGT Computer Science. Again I am telling, second page you will write presented by, first name will be the group leader, second member 1 and member 2, and at the end you will write under the guidance of Ramesh Bhatt, and here you will write PGT Computer Science. Then you will click on next. Third page will be your final page. This will be your final page जहां पर आपका विंडो आ रही है। Now this is my tree view. तो यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया हुआ है, स्क्रॉल बार भी यूज किया हुआ है। This is my vertical scroll bar and here अगर एंट्री ज्यादा होंगी तो आप यहाँ पर horizontal scroll bar दोनों का यूज कर सकते हो। I think this is the horizontal scroll bar and this is the vertical. If you want you can use it also. ठीक है, so this is the project and here I will write the local host and here you will write the username and here you will write the password and you will click on submit. Then if you want to add the user you can add it and here you will write any name 234 and here you will write name Nisha and here you will write any mobile number. Okay, and here we will write a@gmail.com and here you will write address and here you can write female and here you can write any date of birth also. Okay, so and I will click on submit here. Okay, so database is created. There are 3 buttons but here what I will write okay and here so जैसे मैंने डेटा इंसर्ट किया here you can see that कि डेटा मुझे शो होने लग गया डेटाबेस में। If I want to update it and here I can click here and here I will click on update. So here मुझे डेटा भी डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, सिलेक्ट डेटा और मुझे जो भी यहाँ पर अपडेशन करना होगा तो यहाँ पर डायरेक्टली मैं अपडेट भी यहाँ पर कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ पर लगा सब मुझे लिखना हो नेहा तो I will update this also. So this is your database and if you want to export your database you can export it into a CSV file as well. Okay, so data exported successfully and if you want to exit you can exit it. So this is how you can make your project and this is how you can use the tree view. So I hope all these concepts are clear to you. If you still have any doubt you can ask in the comment box. So student, that's it for today. Thank you and keep learning.